Alright guys, so I met up with one of my buddies. He's got an Evo 9 MR and he's got an FP0 in his Evo, but he's on a base map, so he kind of wants to see where he stacks up against me. So I think we're gonna do a poll or two and see how we stack up. Now I'm still on the Evo 9 turbo, haven't put the new turbo in, so let's see how I do. Race this blue M4 up here. I don't know what's done to it, if anything, but it's a chick driving it, so I'm actually kind of curious. We're not doing a dig because she didn't want to. She's a rear-wheel drive, so I'd give her the sauce, but we're gonna do a roll and see how it goes. I don't know if we're doing a 20 or a 40, but we'll find out.
It sounds completely stock.
Yeah, it does. Let's find out.
For all we know, she might have a giant turbo and a and that dump pipe that opens during boost, so it gets sold something louder. I got faith in you, bro.
Alright, thanks. We got the other Evo behind us, then we got Jeremy in the Porsche. Everybody's roll racing tonight.
Calling you out, Nate. Come out.
Bring the Merc, dude. 1, 2, 3. Fast, dude.
It has something. It has downpipes or something.
There's no way that's stock, dude. Oh, I lost to a chick. I lost to a chick, dude. 1, 2, 3. What time is it, guys? Oh, ooh, it's new turbo time. Let's go. I'm so excited. All right, boys, my day hasn't started until I have my caffeine. So today's drink of choice is a nice 3D Energy. You guys haven't tried these? This is by far my favorite flavor. It kind of tastes like the White Monster. The other ones are decent, but this is by far my favorite. So go try these and let me know what you think. So I wanted to give you guys a little bit of a before and after before we put the new turbo on. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a nice third gear little pull and see if you guys can tell the difference. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. Hope you guys are all having a great day. So today is finally the day that I've been talking about forever. We are finally installing the new Billet 20G on the Evo. So I'm super excited to see what kind of power we can make. You guys saw me last night race an M4 and it was a chick that was driving and I lost. So I'm hoping at least I'll be fast enough to at least keep up or possibly pull on her, but I'm sure her M4 was probably making about 500 wheel, which is pretty fast. So new turbo going on. So excited. Hopefully you guys are excited as well. And I did want to mention to you guys, if you guys are curious where I got my turbo, I will go ahead and link the guy's Instagram that hooked me up with it in the description below the video. It's a Billet 20G and I'm really curious to see what kind of power it can make. The turbo that's in the Evo currently is a 16G and I'm upgrading to a 20G. So hopefully I get about 50 more wheel horsepower. We'll find out as soon as we dyno the car. But so excited, this Evo is gonna absolutely rip. And hopefully I'll be faster than Ben, because if I'm not faster than Ben in his clapped Evo, I'm gonna be very upset. I'm really curious, nobody commented on the last video. How much power do you think this is gonna make once we have the new turbo on? So we're taking off the radiator, got all the coolant hoses disconnected, and then basically we're just gonna pull the manifold and the turbo off, and then put the new turbo onto the manifold, and then put it back on the car. If you guys haven't seen the turbo, this is it. Now it is a Billet 20G and stock turbo is a 16G, so this is what's going in. Super excited. If you guys want to pick up a 20G for yourself, I will link all of the guy's information down in the description below, because he's an awesome guy. He builds awesome turbos, and I think the Billet 20G is going to be the best bang for your buck turbo you can get currently. So we've got most of the bolts off of the manifold. We only have one left. All of the piping is taken off, and the old turbo is pretty much ready to come off. And then the new one will go back in.
There she is.
Dang. All right guys, so we got the O2 housing, we got the manifold, and then we got the turbo. So we're gonna take these things off and then swap the new turbo on and then throw it back on the car. Honestly, that only took, what, about an hour, Austin?
Yeah, everything was still hot, so just taking the sweet time. Maybe an hour?
Yeah, about an hour. So should be pretty quick to get this back on, and then we're gonna get her all tuned up and fresh oil, and she'll be ready to rock and roll. Well, if anybody does want an Evo 9 turbo, this one will be for sale. I doubt it's gonna last long, so if you guys want it, let me know. Here is the new 20G. You can actually tell the size difference. So this is the Evo 9 turbo, and then this is the new one. And I'm not sure if you'll be able to tell through video, but you can definitely tell a difference. This one's much, much bigger. Oh, hopefully it makes more power. Super excited, guys, because this is like my first major mod to the Evo other than the O2 housing, but I wouldn't really consider that major, but new turbo. I'm super excited. So if you guys are enjoying the video, smash the like button, because if you guys like videos like this, I'll keep making them, but performance parts are expensive. So you gotta show the video some love, and I'll keep doing fun stuff. But I am so excited to see what the 20G is gonna do. I didn't realize it'd be that big of a size difference between wheels. That's crazy. All right, so this turbo,
That looks like about 49, 50 millimeters.
sweet.
And that wheel, eyeballing it, yeah, about 53, 54
53,
maybe.
54. Dang, so definitely bigger.
Yeah, a couple millimeters.
We got everything back on. New turbo, we got the manifold, we got the O2 housing, and she is all ready to go back in. Each second that passes by, I'm just getting more and more excited to see what this turbo is gonna do. So the process is going super smooth. All we have left is to do the downpipe, throw some oil in it, throw some coolant in it, because I am changing the oil. I did go with Mobil 1, high mileage. Everybody's gonna roast me, I already know, but this is what I've run for a long time. I did have the Rotella T6 in the Evo before, so if I shoot a rod through the block or spin a bearing or something, I'm gonna be upset, but this is what we're throwing in. I got a new oil filter, and yeah, we're almost done. So I'm super excited. Cannot wait to tune this thing and see what this turbo can do. All right, boys, we got coolant in, we got oil, and intake's going back on, and she is all ready to full send. We're gonna pressure wash all the coolant and stuff off, and then we're gonna go out and tune this thing and see what she can do. All right, boys, first startup on the Evo with the new turbo. She runs. Guys, I'm literally so excited. I cannot wait to see what kind of power this puts down. Now, it's supposed to only spool about 200 to 400 RPM later than what my previous turbo spooled at. So the drivability will be a little bit better, and hopefully when boost hits, it hits really hard and it pulls all the way up to 7,500. That's what I'm hoping. Let's see how it goes. All right, boys and girls, well, mainly boys, because that's all that watches my channel. It is finally time to tune the Evo. I've been waiting so long to do this. I'm so excited. We drove it back from Austin's shop, but we didn't really get into boost at all, so I have no clue what it feels like. So I'm so excited. We downloaded a new version of EvoScan as well, so it should be a little bit more linear, a little bit easier to tune this. And just to let you guys know, if you need your Evo tuned and you guys are in the Colorado Springs area or any different vehicle, I'm not sure what all Austin tunes, but he definitely tunes Evos. So if you guys have an Evo that you want tuned, I'm gonna put his Facebook down in the description. Shoot him a message. He's a beast at what he does. He's super familiar with the 4G platform, so hit him up if you need a tune on your Evo. All right guys, so we got everything set up. Now we're just kind of making adjustments while we're driving. We haven't done any wide open throttle stuff because we want to make sure the drivability is good, so adjusting the idle and all that good stuff. But she's running really, really good so far. Austin's a beast at tuning, so. So it is the next day, getting E85 because you guys know, E85 life, I get like 120 miles to a tank, so I had to get some gas. But I'm a little sad to say the Evo is currently idling a little bit rough, and we ran out of time and motivation last night to finish tuning it, so I'm actually heading back over to Austin's tonight because we're gonna go ahead and finish tuning. We're gonna get it running in tip-top shape. Currently the car is pulling right around 18 pounds of boost. This turbo has a lot more left in it. We ran into a little bit of an issue though. We were getting a lot of spark blowout, so I went ahead and bought some new spark plugs. I went with NGK. These are the copper cores. Here's the part number if you guys are curious what I got. So I got new spark plugs. We're gonna go ahead and re-gap these. And hopefully the Evo doesn't have any more issues, and once we get these new spark plugs put in, we'll be able to max out this turbo. So I'll keep you guys updated, but Evo's running really good other than the slight idle issue currently and needing new spark plugs. Now that it's full on gas, let's go make sure that the Evo runs right. Is that spark blowout?
Yeah, it's still blowing out spark. I wonder if the coils are getting